Doing a video. No, you're back to now, not taking your. Okay, guys, this is just an update of the work so far. This is some new plywood that has been put up. Treated ply, of course. This was the old bathroom right here. Broke down the wall and the sides to join it to make it out as one. So they're still in a mess. Lots of bits and pieces, construction tool around. So it's just another update today. Electrical wires had to be cut off for certain parts of the power. This wall is gone completely, as you see. This wall here is gone. This bar was for the window here. So it's just blocked up temporary until we could get a new window fitted. A sink was just put in temporary for me so that I could use to get some running water. So this is it, guys. Just strewn with all tools and everything. And some cement. I'm going to make the cupboards in wall and concrete. I'm going to remove these tiles. These are rubber or vinyl tiles. And the new cupboard will come alongside next to the sink and go all the way down to the bottom. So this is just a small update, guys. This is the door that is going to be replaced. I'll just give you a shot of the new door that I purchased. So this is the new door that I'm going to replace with the one I showed you earlier on. And this here is the window. This is a 3x3 wide push-up window. So I'm going to replace the hole is already cut off a little larger so that it could fit, because the existing space was a bit too small. So the concrete had to be chipped and cut and shaped for this new window.